Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make the stuff look from this to this. So in order to do that, what you would have to do is first of all get any kind of wallpaper you like. So I have some wallpapers here. Let me make it so you can see. So I'm gonna make it to this wallpaper. So first of all, right click on this and select the top background. Okay, and we X that so we have this background. Okay, to make it look a bit cleaner, we can just remove hide these icons. Don't worry, your files are not lost or your applications are not lost. They're just hidden. So if you click again, go to view, click on this, you'll automatically get your files. So I'm just gonna hide it for now. Next, what I would prefer you to do is click on right click here and go to the search section and click it hidden. So remove the search icon, and if you really want it, you can show search icon like this. Okay, and then I would prefer you to make the taskbar size small. So first let me click on make this in the middle. So unlock the taskbar and let me drag this here. Okay, and then I'll click just lock the taskbar. Okay, and then I want you to go to the taskbar settings and click on small taskbar button. Since I'm used to this, I'm gonna keep like this. Okay, and yeah, lock taskbar is enabled. Next, I need you to install a application to the Microsoft Store. So I'm just gonna scroll down to Microsoft Store. Okay, so I get Microsoft Store here. So once this opens up, we go there and write here translucent. 1 minute. Translucent TB. Okay. If you click enter, and the results you get these. So not this one. Click on this one. Translucent TB. It's a free application. So basically, it makes this black thing disappear and makes it translucent. So I'm just gonna I have already installed this. I'm just gonna launch. So it automatically runs in the background. By the way, you should better keep all these stuff. It's really simple. For example, if you have your volume button, the Wi-Fi buttons, icons, just drag them up here. That it looks cleaner. Okay, and here you go to transitions working in the background. So now, after this, I need now erase applied, but you can edit it all. Just click on it, so you can just edit how you want it. So yeah, and this is how your desktop looks now. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.